you love mayonnaise but thought it was too difficult to make for yourself, then you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make one of the world's favorite emulsions. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's take a minute to talk emulsions. Now, emulsions are kind of like a bad marriage. They're made up of two things that really don't like each other, but at the same time, if they just work together for a little bit, they'll stay together for at least a little while. Now, one of the most famous emulsions is called a hollandaise. And a hollandaise is what we call a mother sauce. And a mother sauce is what all the other sauces are based off of. So every emulsion is made up of a hollandaise in some form or another. Now, hollandaise is a mixture of egg yolks and clarified butter that when whisked together, thicken up and form a sauce. And being as hollandaise is a mother sauce, we're going to substitute out clarified butter for oil and make a mayonnaise. Okay, now the egg yolks contain water, and as we know, water and oil don't like each other. But the egg yolks have something in them called lecithin, and lecithin acts like a bridge that gets the oil and the water to play nice together, at least for a little bit. It's kind of like the glue that binds. Okay, so two things to remember when you're making your mayonnaise. One, add the oil to the egg yolk a little bit at a time at first, just to get that emulsion going. And then after that, you can just add the whole bunch and just keep whisking, and it'll come together to form a perfect mayonnaise. And two, a common fear most people have when making mayonnaise is that they're going to add too much oil and their mixture is going to split. But it's not necessarily the case. See, egg yolks hold enough lecithin in them to actually mix up to 7 times the amount of recommended oil to make mayonnaise. So if you add a little bit too much, you're perfectly fine. Okay, so who wants to take their first steps in the journey of mayonnaise making? You do? Good. I do too. Let's do it. Wait, we're not done yet. Now there's a thing you can make out of mayonnaise called an aioli. Okay, so typically an aioli, at least in Italy's terms, was an emulsion of water and fat. And instead of using an egg yolk, they would use crushed garlic. Now, the more traditional aiolis look more like a flavored mayonnaise. So basically we're just going to take our mayonnaise and add stuff to them. And that's an aioli. Pretty simple, right? So what I'm going to do for this recipe is I'm going to show you just how easy making an aioli can be, and we're going to make Chipotle Aioli. And it's super delicious on sandwiches. And everything. Well, there you go. Mayonnaise 101. That was pretty easy, right? Not too difficult, huh? Now, I know it's a lot easier to just go out and buy mayonnaise at the store, but there's just something to be said about making something with your own hands where you get to control every single ingredient that goes into it that just makes this mayonnaise super special. And not only that, because you get to control all the ingredients, you can make whatever type of flavor mayonnaise you want. You can make a garlic mayonnaise, you can make a basil mayonnaise, you can make a caramelized onion mayonnaise, you can make a barbecue mayonnaise. Maybe. Might be good. And good luck finding barbecue mayonnaise at your store. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a like, and also share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. Now also, if you really like the video, there's a little subscribe button right about here. If you click on it, you'll be one of my ultimate fans. And then if you click the little bell, you'll get sent notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. Alright, well, that's all I have time for this week. Come back next week where we're going to be making clam sauce with pasta. Super delicious. Stay tuned.